Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how you can use the Genesis PTC Fan Heater. First things first, you want to make sure that the base is on, this way you get some power. And because the fan heater is safe and reliable, it's got a built-in tip-over safety function so that should it tip in any direction, it switches off and it's triggered by this little button over here. And to prolong the lifespan of your fan heater, it comes with a dust-proof cover to keep unwanted dust going into the fan and unwanted dust being spread all over your home. As you can see, this is the dust-proof cover itself. This is the mesh. And please, make sure you clean it. So the most important thing when it comes to the Genesis fan heater is for you to switch it on. And we have 3 buttons over here, and the on and off button is the one on the far right. Then the button in the middle is the button that dictates the timer. So whether you want the heater on for 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, the choice is yours. If you hold the same button for 2 seconds, it switches on the vertical oscillation. So for our third and final button, this dictates the modes. We've got low heat, fan mode, and high heat. If you hold it for 2 seconds, it switches on the horizontal oscillation. And because we care for your convenience, if you're not in the mood to be pressing the buttons on the fan, don't worry. It comes with a remote that can do the exact same thing. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. That's how you can use the Genesis PTC Fan Heater from Verimark.